Hello, this is Meier DIY. Yeah, I've got a video here I'm going to release pretty soon. It's about a trip to Potato Creek State Park, and that's just southwest of South Bend, Indiana. It's about 40 minutes from downtown South Bend. So if you go there, you can always visit things in South Bend. In fact, we went bowling while we were there. It was really hot, but we had a good time. The only real problems were that there was some algae growing in the lake around the beach, and they didn't want you to swim in it, and we didn't want the grandkids to swim in it. But it was really pretty there, and my grandson was able to catch a pretty nice crappie, and we only went out fishing for a couple hours every evening, or not, actually 2 evenings, but it was fun. So I'm going to make this video. I'm not going to put a whole lot of stuff in there that you can get from everybody else. I'm just going to put the things in there that I had to find out so that I could enjoy my trip with my little 10-foot boat and be legal. So and I'm going to show you all it was cool. They had all these dragonflies, lots of different colored ones. I've never seen so many dragonflies in my life, and I've got a really close-up picture of one of them, and I'll put that on the very beginning so you can see that right away. I'm real proud of that. I took it right off my phone, so it's amazing that the phones can get a picture like that. And it was amazing that he let me get that close. I mean, I don't have a telescopic lens or anything. You see my collection of bobbers that I find when I'm fishing places. A lot of kids are probably looking for those bobbers. They lose them when they're on the bank, you know, and then they drift out into the lake and over in the weeds, and I'll see them and I'll pick them up. It's just kind of a thing I do. I pick up this big bobber. I don't know where I got that. I mean, I found it somewhere. You can see they're not new bobbers. And see how long I can make it before I quit fishing. Okay, enjoy the video. Talk to you later. The general store. We have cabins. This is cabin 19. Oh, it's got a great big skylight in the middle of the top. So where you fill up your regular tanks. I think I saw you on the Mystery Channel.
There's a bobcat. The one that's like this. It's a bobcat. Yeah, baby squirrel.
It's a little tiny red squirrel.
Look, so, see him right there?
There you go. That'll be good. I'll trim the excess. Not as wee.
I'll take
I don't
one.
want to kill him.
No, let Grandpa do it
There you
first.
go. No.
Hey,
Okay.
you just let him go. It fell out.
Well, that didn't last long.
Oh, I didn't tighten it enough.
Look at those ugly dudes. Wow, how pretty is that?